Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Pay double click side button not working on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and your Apple Pay double click side button option is not working, so let's see how can you fix that. So the very first thing is that you just have to open your settings app here. Then you just have to go for software updates. So go for general, go for software update and try to make a software update if you have pending software updates, and after that you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not, or if you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to enable and disable the setting to use double click on Apple Pay. So or select the wallet and Apple Pay option, select Apple Pay defaults, and then you just have to enable this option, which is double click side button, to use Apple Pay. And once you have enabled, or if you have find already enabled this, you have to disable it, then enable it again. You have to try this up to 4 or 5 times. It will refresh all over the system of double click to use Apple Pay option, and after that your issue will be fixed. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so there's the only way. You just have to go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings, and then verify yourself using your face ID, or you can also use your passcode for that. And once you have continued this step, your all setting will be reset. It will not delete your data, so you can also try this. And after that, it will be fixed. And if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to contact the Apple Support team. So open the Apple Support app, or you can use your Apple Support web. Select your iPhone, select more option, then select wallet option from here. Select get more help. Then select call us. Now, whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So in this way, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.